Hi friends! I'm so sorry I can't be here for your exam today. I am going to a meeting. I will be back before the end of the hour though, hopefully. Okay, let's talk about what's going to happen on your exam. First of all, let's all say bonjour to Madame Lovequist, Mrs. Lovequist. Bonjour! She's your sub today. Be good for her, please. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to do your vocab matching, okay? Here's what it looks like. It's 2 pages. You need these side by side. That's the reason it's not stapled. Okay, the French, let's see, it goes 1 to 40. The French words are in alphabetical order. The English definitions are in alphabetical order. Keep these next to each other, okay? Go through this, put it together, make sure your name is on it. Then what I need you to do is staple it. I would really like you to staple it up here in this corner, please, above where your name is. I know it feels kind of weird, but it makes it easier for me to grade. So if we could please do that, that would really help you. Or that would really help me. Merci. Turn this into Mrs. Lovequist. Then go up to the table. You are going to see 3 sheets of paper right next to each other. The first one looks like this. Okay, the next one in the pile looks like this. And the third one is going to look like this. Okay? The first sheet of paper, your verbs, matching, okay, just definitions. Again, this is in alphabetical order. The verbs are in alphabetical order, the definitions are in alphabetical order. Please write your name on this. Please, 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 okay? Here's your first sheet. Do this, put it down, okay? Then your second sheet, which you've picked up when you went to grab all 3, you've got your second sheet. Section B says match the following sentences with the appropriate tense. Okay, so you're going to read the sentence and then you're going to look down here. There's 8 choices for your tenses. You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the blank. You might use some of them more than once. Just a hint. Okay, then you're going to come down here for section C. Choose the conjugation that works. So we look at the first one. Number 1, the verb is boire. We are using the subject je, and we're using the present tense. So you're going to look at your 4 choices, A, B, C, and D, and figure out which one works. Okay? Flip it over. There's a little bit more of that on the back. Then, section D says, conjugate the 3 verbs on the verb journal in the present through conditional tenses. Okay? So you're going to set this down, pick up your 3rd sheet of paper, which looks like this. Okay? You've got 3 verbs that you've got to fill out. The first one is in the je form, the second one is in the nu form, and the last one is in the L form, and it says that on there. Okay? The boxes that you have to fill out are left blank, and then the ones on the bottom are tenses we haven't learned yet. Okay? So those are X'd out for you. You're only filling out 3 verbs. So this is this. Okay? When you're done, put all 3 of those together, please. Staple, make sure your name is on it, still, again, whatever. You're going to put it in the boîte, okay? And you're going to say, thank you, Madame Lovequist, for being awesome, okay? So that's what's expected of you today. Mes amis, I will be back by the end of the hour, most likely. You're not allowed to leave until this is done, okay? So I would advise working pretty quick, not quickly, but thoroughly, and you've got to be here, okay? So that's that. Mrs. Lovequist is going to come around with a box of goodies for you. Your choices are a piece of gum, fruit snacks, or like 3 or 4 Hershey's Kisses, okay? Because I think it helps you work better. So that's for you. Let's see, what else? Your exam is tomorrow, okay? What's on your exam tomorrow? Tomorrow you've got listening, you've got reading, and you've got writing, and you've got a little bit more grammar, okay? Tomorrow I would bring your hall passes. I do not have an example, otherwise I would hold them up. Remember, if you've held onto those hall passes, you get 4 extra points on your exam tomorrow. Bring those. Okay? Also bring your textbook, because once we're done, we're turning in our textbooks to the book room. Okay? So bring your textbook, bring your hall passes. You will be stapling your hall passes onto your final exam tomorrow. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Okay, vocab first, verb second. You're not leaving till it's done. I love you all. Please be good to Mrs. Lovequist. And I will talk to you soon. Okay. Bonne chance. Courage.